keep your Big Dipper working correctly, please perform these steps daily. The internal solid strainer basket must be emptied at least once per day, and more if significant solids are put down the drain. To do this, remove the grease collector, unlatch the inlet side wing, and remove the wing lid. The strainer basket may now be removed from the Big Dipper unit. The contents from the strainer basket should be emptied into a trash receptacle. You may want to spray down the basket after emptying it. Return the strainer basket back into the unit, latch the inlet wing back into place, and replace the grease collector. The translucent grease collector should indicate when enough grease has accumulated and the collector requires emptying. Remove the collector from the unit. Remove the rubber cap covering the spout. Empty the collected grease into an approved receptacle, either an oil barrel provided by a rendering company or dispose as solid waste. To dispose as solid waste, pour the contents into a 5-gallon bucket and allow to solidify before throwing into a municipally approved trash receptacle. Always follow the rules in your municipality concerning grease disposal, as not all methods are approved in all municipalities. Replace the rubber cap on the grease collector and place the grease collector back on the unit. Thermoco recommends emptying daily to ensure grease does not overflow the collector if the unit operates at night. Daily maintenance instructions for your Big Dipper are supplied as a poster for wall mounting, available inside the operation manual, and as instructions provided on a label on the lid.